I didn't have any hesitation whatsoever with anybody or anything having it here done in Oswego. And I'm out the door this afternoon when I had it done yesterday morning at 7:30. And here it'll be like 3:30 or something this afternoon when I get out, and it's like, there we go. And it's just great. I can't say enough. So anybody that really needs to have anything done like this, look at Oswego first before you go running off to Syracuse or wherever else you have to go. Because from someone with experience, which I've had it a couple times here, and my wife has had some stuff here too done. It's been top notch, right on down the line with everybody, and I can't say enough. And they got great meals too.